Friday, September 6th, 2024. Focus. The purposes of the heart. The psalmist encourages us to commit our way to the Lord. He will bring forth your righteousness as the light and your justice as the noonday. But most of us are not patient to wait for the Lord's opinion. We are quick to judge others negatively and ourselves positively. In the first reading, Paul says his conscience is clear, but that does not mean he carries no guilt. God alone can judge the purposes of our heart. The Gospel speaks of another type of judgment or evaluation. The old is good. When offered the life of grace, not everyone wants it. The old ways of rituals, and we have a surplus of these, seem more reliable. The new wine of the Holy Spirit is not predictable. We have to be spiritually as flexible as a fresh wineskin. Jesus' audience knew exactly how stiff and brittle an old wineskin was. A fresh goatskin pouch was needed for a fresh batch of grape juice because the air bubbles in the fermenting process made the wineskin expand. In a similar way, it is not possible to stick to religious rituals for their own sake and then expect to make a little room for life in the Spirit. Fruit, what about that neighbor who fasts thrice a week, attends every novena and retreat, and plagues us with her sermons? Well, only God can judge the purposes of her heart.